Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here inside my laundry room because we got baby chickens. Okay. There we are. We got 5 of them. I think they're Rhode Island Reds. Anyways, yep, we got 5 little bitty baby chickens. So, yeah, they're in there, and we got a chicken coop and a 2, and I'll go show you that. Also, the reason I haven't posted in probably 2 weeks, I just took a break, but I'm going to post twice today, and from now on, I'm going to try to post once a week, if not more, but at least once a week, so, yeah. Now we're going to go out to the chicken coop Okay, so now we're going out to the chicken coop to get I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go out to the chicken coop and show you around. I've got people following me. But yeah, here we go. Yes I am. But yeah, here it is. We're almost at the chicken coop. It was full of poop earlier. Here's the inside. I got 5 baby chickens, and there's 5 places for them to lay eggs.
And super crappy in here.
No, it's not. I cleaned it all up. But yeah, there's a roost up here for them. It's got 3 little roosts and a place to climb up. They, as you've seen, they was just little baby chickens, so they aren't ready to be in here yet. But we're gonna paint it white and build a fence around it. But yeah, it's got this big window thing in the front. We've got to paint it all, and it'll go down here in this field. But yep, that's my baby. That's all our chickens, and I remember I'm going to be posting once a week. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I had a video, just I couldn't post it. I tried like 7 times yesterday and it wouldn't post, so that's that. And I guess I'll see you guys next week.